Alrighty, cherubs, so today we're going to be making a dreidel. So I have a small chunk of clay, I've got my paddle, and I've got my letter stamps. You don't have to use stamps, you can just paint the letters on at the end. So I'm going to take my clay, and I'm going to smack it into a rectangular prism. I'm going to just hit it against the table and also use that paddle to get it into that shape. I want to take one end and flatten it out. Then I'll take the other end and shape it into a point. So I'll create a little pyramid there. Make sure all the sides come together to a single point. Now I want to make sure to be careful that none of the sides are bulging or are misshapen or that it leans to one side at all. I'm going to fuss with this for just a minute. Now this is a little too big for a dreidel, so I'm going to be shaving off some of that top with my X-Acto knife. And I continue to work the sides and make it as smooth as possible. Now I need to make a divot so it'll hold the handle. So I'm just going to use the back end of my X-Acto blade right there, make a little divot, a little spot for my handle. I'm going to roll out a coil with some excess clay. And then I'm just going to press it into the divot to make it fit, get the right shape. Now I'm going to go ahead and score it. I'm going to score around the divot. I'm going to score the handle itself. And I'm going to go ahead and score inside the little indentation. Give it a good spritz. And give it some good pressure so that it sticks. And there's my dreidel form. Now I want to go ahead and add those letters. Again, you can carve these in, you can paint them on when it's all finished. I like using the stamps, it makes it nice and uniform. I'm going to go ahead and smooth up any imperfections, any cracks, healing anything that needs a little more attention. And there it is, my dreidel. I made it out of clay.